Soy Xavier y uno de los pequeños detalles que me fascinan del Chick-fil-A Honey Pepper Pimento Chicken Sandwich es el pollo que está cocinado a perfección. El pimento cheese y los jalapeños con la miel se la botaron del pan. ¡Wow!
¿Quieres jugar de 5 beneficios de salud?
Identificada con la garra.
Mirando la pared.
People don't mind hearing
Yeah, they're great. I really enjoy it. I know you're going to have stuff like that. I always make sure I listen to it.
Okay,
Well, it's just a suggestion, and
I appreciate it, and we like to see that. I enjoy putting them together because sometimes, we go in history, either we forget a little bit or we learn a little more. And there's also lessons to be learned from them as well. Like I had one recently, Holocaust, and we seem to forget that there were evil people like that within our lifetime in history not too long ago. Not too long ago. And then, the build-up of the Nazis and what was taking place in the government, and all those type of things are just good reminders for
Call the
us.
Community Tax Helpline today at 800-279-9432.
All right, well, hey, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
They can attack your wages,
Right.
savings,
All right, we're going to
pension,
exit
home,
stage
and
left.
even your social security check. Call 800-279-9432.
Wesley here from Sullivan Spa Center. I just wanted to thank you for letting us make your life more comfortable. You can see and explore all of our hearth products, wood, gas, pellet, and electric, to keep you warm and cozy during cold and wet winters. Or maybe you're looking to enjoy the benefits of what hot, soothing water can do for your body, and it melts away the stress that living today brings on. Or perhaps you want to get in better shape this year by exercising one of our swims.
We got together. We're Bailey and...
The required monthly test.
Oh, Jesus. But we certainly had that. But that's not what St. Paul is talking.
This is a required monthly test of the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Alert System. Repeating, this is only a test. This test is coming to you from the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Operations Center. This concludes the required monthly test.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. Air 1, worship now.